Hello friends, today we will learn how to make iterative dashboard using Power BI. I have opened Power BI desktop. I have imported Amazon sales dataset. These are its column. I will go back to the canvas. I will use the text box to write Amazon sales. Now I will make a tree map. So I click tree map. I want it as category by sales. So I will just drag that into values and see our tree map is ready. Tables, pop, ads, phones, everything is there. Now I will make another graph, cluster bar chart. I clicked on it. I want it as profit at x-axis, and I will just take city. So yeah, it's ready. I will just resize it. It's giving me a cluster bar chart of sum of profit by city. I will make a gauge chart, and I will just quantity in the values. So yeah, gauge chart is also ready. This is a very simple iterative dashboard. It is giving everything. If I write bookcases, it will change it accordingly. Thank you.